Maybe we'll think of a new introductory or something like that. But anyways, thank y'all for joining me. And today I'm here with a quick hair tutorial. I'm gonna do some box braids. I've been wearing this bun for about 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks. It's been getting, but like it's time to get braided up. So I'm ready to go ahead and wash this, and then I'm gonna blow dry, and I'll be back. So I just finished washing my hair, and now I'm ready to blow dry. I wish I would have had my mama to come, but it's in my mama's house. So this one is gonna work, so that is gonna get the job done. Yeah, cause y'all know I'm extra, so I had to get this length. It was the length for me coming off the towel. But alright, so I'm gonna put this on hand. My hair is dry, stiff wear. But alright, so look, this is what I'm gonna use. I got some Connect-A-Line ham. I got 4 packs. 3, you know, the 3 little ones come in the head. Got the mirror. Can't forget the mirror. I gotta make sure the pots and everything is on point. Y'all see that? Oh, y'all see my background. Hey. But yeah, oh, that kind of looks tight. But oh, fingerprints. I had cleaned it off, but it's something different. But anyways, yeah. So for my pots, this good old Gorilla Snort. This is the only thing that holds my hair. And then I got the reptile comb, and I got a lighter. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so I already did one braid. Now I'm on my second one. I'm gonna show y'all. Got the mirror so I can make sure the pots is how I want them. They zigzag crooked. I'm going for straight. So first I'm gonna start by putting, I grease my grease in between the board with some grease. Get the grease. Then I'm gonna get the Gorilla Snot. I'm gonna put a dab of Gorilla Snot. Then I'm gonna go around, make sure get very well. I feel like this, yeah. I feel like it's alright, but I'm gonna do a little bit more. Alright. And I forgot, I do use rubber bands. Rubber band. So we're gonna put all this together. Make sure ain't nothing getting into it. Then I'm gonna go around once, twice, 3. This is the 4th. Do it one more time. That's 5. Then I'm gonna make sure it's in the center. That look like it's about good enough. This a little loose, so I'm gonna just pull it just a little bit because I don't want it too tight. Alright, so that's that. And now I got the hair. So out of the one, the little one piece that come out, I took half, so I just used half. So now just get it. And I hope y'all can see it. I'm just gonna go around like this. Then I'm gonna grab some of the hair. First round I went around with my red hair. And then just keep on moving. Make sure that's intact is right. And then here go the tangling. So just untangle the pieces that's giving you them issues. Put it around. Make sure that's right. Look good. Just I'm gonna pull this back outside to make sure y'all can see over there. I'm feeling it. yeah, I turned around so y'all can get a better view. I had to bring the hair to the front because I couldn't braid too much further going, you know, down my back. So just going over. You holding it, and you going just like that. So I'm gonna do that all the way down. I'm a little extra, so I like long braids. So I'm just gonna keep on. Yeah. So I'm just keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. So just keep on. But yeah. So I'm just gonna keep on going. I'm gonna bring the other one around in a minute to the front. Cause I'm about to, once I get, you know, close enough to the end so I want it to where they like even, then that's when I'm gonna burn it over there. So let me pull this down. So yeah, I got a little ways to go if y'all can see that. So I don't know why I'm making a noise. Jammy. Yep. But this shouldn't take too long. Let's see. Let's do another check. Alright, so that's about, they're about the same length. So now I'm about to, something on my leg. So that's when I'm gonna get later. And I'm gonna burn right to where I wanted to stop. It's hot, so I mean you can wait till it cool off or whatever, but yeah. You just burn it. Y'all. Alright. Some of it's gonna come off, some of it. That's good enough. Alright. So I'm gonna it's only 2, but it's a look. I got a few more to go. And I'll be back. I'm back, y'all. And what? I'm feeling these braids. I got my baby hair going on or whatever. Can't play with them. Threw on my jewelry. You know, I love me some jewelry. And I got on some lip gloss from my lip gloss line, Luxurie Lips. I want champagne. It's a clear gloss with gold glitter. Get into it. Y'all can check that out at www.luxurielips.com. So I'm doing a quick 360 for y'all so y'all can see how it turned out. And I also did, I freestyled my parts. I ain't do straight. I like the way they came out though. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. And I do want to thank y'all for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next. And I got y'all.